Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. 8 years ago, I made a video on this. Somebody just today commented on that video that they didn't understand it at all. So if you wanted to change one word or one letter, you can grab the sentence and go up to text editor or edit text, which is also Control-Shift-T, and you could just highlight that and delete it and then type in 2. But in that video, I stated you've already got your text tool. If you will just click on it, you don't even have to delete it. You could just start typing and change the letter. Or like right here, we need to make it letters. Now, so I thought, because I already have a video on this, I thought I'd add a little bit to it. When you pick it, all text has these little bitty node boxes. If you take and click these 4 or these 3 for the 1, you can make that word red. You could click these letters below the letter and go up here and make them 500 points. Make the word bigger. You can do a lot. I mean, not only this, you've already got this. If you change, if you slide this out of the way, they space them out. Now, if you slide it with the shift tool, it keeps the words the same and leaves the space between the words. Now, there's another one of these, but it doesn't work unless you have 2 lines. And then when you grab the shape tool and grab this will separate the spacing between the 2 lines. But this will do the words on both lines. I hope that gentleman can understand this video 8 years later, and thank you for watching.